English Listening Test for Kids, Level 1, Test 4.
What's the weather like?
It's stormy.
What's the weather like?
It's stormy.
How many monkeys are there?
There are 6 monkeys.
How many monkeys are there?
There are 6 monkeys.
What's that?
It's a green triangle.
What's that?
It's a green triangle. I'd like 4 apples, please. I'd like 4 apples, please.
How old is the pig?
The pig is 7 years old.
How old is the pig?
The pig is 7 years old.
What's that?
It's a pencil case.
What's that?
It's a pencil case.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like strawberries.
What's your favorite fruit?
I like strawberries.
How is he?
He is tired.
How is he?
He is tired. He likes bananas. He doesn't like broccoli. He likes bananas. He doesn't like broccoli.
How many pencils do you have?
I have 2 pencils.
How many pencils do you have?
I have 2 pencils. How did you do?